Sir, I can't hear you, sir.
Oh, I'm sorry.
I can hear you.
Thank you. Why people are not seeing this? What is wrong with it? Okay, so we are solving this problem. We are solving from NCERT. I think miscellaneous exercise this one, right? 9.4. So this question is 1 square into 2 plus 2 square into 3 plus up to n terms, n square into n plus 1. You have to show that this is equal to 3m plus 5 upon 3m plus 1. Show that this series, the ratio of these two series is equal to 3m plus 5. Try it. Hint is also given. See, it's the same steps that we need to use. First, always, if you have the general term, try to find the series. So you already have general term here, and always try to convert into algebraic equation. Okay, that is your that k cube, right? The hint is also given. K cube, a times of k cube, b times of k square plus c times of k. Summation of this. You remember we know how to solve it, right? Like summation of k cube is how much? N into n plus 1 upon 2. K is equal to 1 to n. Okay. Whole square. N into n plus. What is what is this? Summation of k square is what? What is summation of k square? N into n plus. And Nidhi, you remember or not? No. You forgot. See that you are saying this one, summation of k. This is your n into n plus 1 by 2. 2n plus 1, yes. 2n plus 1 upon 6. Why, Nidhi? Why? Not studying at all. So try to convert this equation in this form. And then so we know all these. We can substitute. Write down. What will be the nth term of numerator? Nidhi? Yes. N into n plus 1 whole square, right? So that is equal to what? N cube plus 2n square plus n or 2. Yeah, you are right only. Why you are confused? Denominator. Fine. So nth term of numerator and nth term of denominator you already know. So how you can write that ratio? See, this is 1 into 2 square plus 2 into 3 square. Yeah, how you can write it? Summation. Right? That's what you want. Isn't it a very long process? Isn't this a really lengthy process? See, there are two methods to solve it. Okay, the first method is you just separately solve the numerator and the denominator. Okay, when you reach at the final stage, all the terms will get cancelled out when you take the ratio, and you will only be remaining with 3n plus 5 upon 3n plus 1. So try that method. We already know how to solve it. Okay, first solve the numerator. The summation of n cube plus 2n square plus n, how you can write? Summation of n cube plus summation 2 times summation of n square plus summation of n. And we know these terms. See, these we already know. So summation of n cube will be what? What will be the summation of n cube? N into n plus 1 upon 2 whole square. So you can square upon 4. Can we write like this, Nidhi? So this we have written plus 2 times of n square. N square is what? N into n plus 1, 2n plus 1 by 2. N plus 1, 2n plus 1 upon 6. Okay, so we are done with this also. Now this last one plus n into n plus 1 upon 2. Now solve this. What you are getting? Hari, what you are getting? Take the LCM, man. Take the LCM. What will be the LCM? LCM is how much? Yeah, you just directly multiply all the terms. You just whatever algebra you know, just do that. Okay, no fancy stuff, nothing. Okay, so n square, we know this is n square plus 1 plus 2n upon 4 plus 1 upon 3. This is 2n cube plus n plus 2n plus 3n square plus n. Okay, plus n square plus n upon 2. Now LCM is how much? What will be the LCM here, Nidhi? Why 12 is not the LCM? You just multiply it. LCM is not just multiplication, Nidhi. Okay. So 12 is the LCM, right? Lowest common factor, isn't it? So 12. So 3 times you will multiply this. 3. Now you multiply inside a bracket. N4 plus n square plus n cube. 3 times of n to the power of 4. 3 times of n square plus 6 times of n cube plus you multiply it by 4. 4 8 n cube plus 12 n square plus 4n plus 6n square plus 6n. Okay, this will be now all n to the power of 4 you write together. So 3n to the power of 4 plus n cube. These two are n cube terms. 8 plus this is 14 n cube. Now n square. N square is this, and this. 21 n square plus n, right? This and this 6 10 n upon 12. Fine. So this is what you are getting, isn't it? Let this be question number 1. Now this we have solved just the numerator. We solved the numerator. This one we have solved, but we also need to solve the denominator. So let's solve the denominator. Summation of n cube plus n square. That's what is the denominator, right, Nidhi? N cube is what? This first term, n square into n plus 1 whole square upon 4 plus n into n plus 1 2n plus 1, right? 2n plus 1 what? Square upon 6. Now if you solve this, you'll get, this is n by the way. So here again you will get n to the power 4 plus n square plus 2n cube. Is it 2n cube? Yeah, that's what you get upon 4 plus this. If you multiply, what you get? 2n cube plus 3n square plus n, right, upon 6. 6 and 4 LCM is how much? 12 maybe. What happened to you? 3n to the power of 4 plus 3n square plus 6n cube plus 2. 4n cube plus 6n square plus 2n. So this will become 3n to the power of 4 plus cube 10n cube plus 9n square plus 2n upon 12. So this is second. Now take the ratio. Divide 1 by 2. Divide it. You have 1, you have 2. Right now. So 12 will get cancelled anyway, right? So 3n to the power 4 plus 14n cube plus 21n square plus 10n divided by 3n power 4 plus 10n cube plus 9n square plus 2n. Cancel n will get cancelled. Find out maybe. Louder, louder. Yeah, you can use that method. It's fine. You? It's fine. You can use that method. It's fine. Completely. Okay. What is S2n? So 1 into n plus 1. Take this LCM now, how much you are getting? 12. Because see the thing is, you have to combine these terms. It won't get cancelled. It's not subtraction, it's division. So you have to combine all these 3 terms. First combine these 3 terms. Okay. Oh, along the way you did it. So this is correct. This is also correct. N square plus 1, how you took common? See, how can you take n square into n plus 1 common? N into n plus 1. N into n plus 1. So n into n plus 1 by 2 plus 1. That is correct. So this is correct, yes. This and same here. Okay, seems correct only. N into n plus 1 if you will take common, n into n plus 1 by 4. 2n into n plus 1 by 3. Okay. This 1 by 2. That is correct. So this is correct only. So here you might have made some mistake. So have you memorized the solution? Okay. So if you are taking the ratio, how much you got this one? And in terms of one, so 2 will go in the numerator, right? So you can multiply n into n plus 1. Why you have 24? Why do you have 24? 24 you have cancelled or you have? Okay, okay. It's fine, no issues. 24, so 6 times, 8 times, 12 times. So numerator is correct. Denominator is n into n plus 1 by 2. So n something is not there in the denominator. See, plus 2. Okay. Okay. So this you have cancelled this 2, right? Then why? How come you are having 2 here? Okay, this 2. Okay, right. Okay, all right. N into n plus 1. Okay, 6 n into n plus 1 plus 8 times of 3 are 5. N into n plus 1 2. 2 you are writing in the numerator. It's 12 fine. Okay, fine. What is this 12? So why you? Okay, you have not written it here. Where is this? This 12 is where? Where is this 12? That means here also you should just multiply it by 1 by 12. Okay. That means 6. So 6 n square plus 22 n plus 20 upon 6. Okay, this is the 6. So 6 n square plus 22 n plus 26. So, okay, seems correct. Oof. Okay, divided by 2. Yeah. Okay. How can you do this? See, in the numerator you have divided by 2. In the denominator, how can you do that? You cannot do this thing. Here only you have made this. See, if you are dividing the numerator, that means you are multiplying just by 2 by 2. Here, 2 by 2, or you can say dividing 2 by 2. That's what you are saying. So you have divided here by 2. So numerator also you will divide by 2 only, no? Because you are taking 2 common. Okay, 2 common. So 3n plus 6. Okay, here is a mistake. Now do that again. So 3n square plus 6. That's how you got this 6. Oh, you are splitting it. Okay, correct. No, this is incorrect. Okay, correct the denominator. Okay, anybody got the answer of this one divided by this? See, first thing what you can do is this is 3n cube plus 14n square plus 21n plus 10 whole divided by 3n cube plus 10n square plus 9n plus 2. Because we are taking n here also, we are taking n outside. Here also we are taking n outside, and we are cancelling these 2. Okay. Now you just need to simplify this. Try to write it in terms of a plus b whole cube. Right? We know a cube plus b cube plus 3a square b plus 3a b square. How much you are getting? Show me. Okay. And what do you need to show? 3n plus 5 upon 3n plus 1. Again, some mistake. So 3n square plus 3. Okay. We are taking 3n common. This one seems correct. See, this is not the way you write it. There should be a bracket here. But anyway, these terms are not getting cancelled. Is this correct? 3n square minus 3n. See, how can you write this? Huh, Nidhi? This is minus 6n. Here you have plus 6n. So this is not correct, right? Plus 6. That is incorrect. But just because you want to get answer, you cannot write something which is not there, right? There must be some other way, no, to write it. 3n square minus 3n. Acha, how many of you are able to solve it online? Anybody has got the answer? Anyone? How many of you are there? Shrikruti, Divya. Shrikruti and Divya. Okay. They are together, sitting together. Sham, Naveen, Mitran, Hari, both Hari. Just solve this, you will get the answer. These two. By the time I'm looking at here, give me a pen. Okay, so 3n into n plus 1. See, this is not right. First correct this one. First correct the denominator. See, that doesn't mean you will you can write whatever you want. See, in short, what we can write, summation, the numerator, what we can write, n into, Nidhi, is this the numerator? N plus 2, 3n plus 5, have you got this? Upon 12. Have you got this? This is the numerator, this term. Sorry, not this one. You don't need to multiply it here, you just write the terms as it is. Have you got this as numerator? And in the denominator, what you will get? In the denominator, you will get see, it is summation of n, so n into n plus 1, n plus 2 upon 12 into 3n plus 1. Are you getting this as numerator and denominator from 1? You're getting it or not? You're not getting it? See, if you when you start solving this, what you can take, you have also taken, use the same method. Show me one more. You have taken a different method. This is also polynomial. Just you have taken, yeah. See, in the numerator and the denominator, I'll give you that. Okay, just wait for a minute. Try to solve it again one more time, because if we have started this problem, let's solve it first. Start from the beginning. Check from the beginning what mistake you are getting. Anybody have got this? Do you want me to solve it again? Numerator. See, numerator is summation of k cube plus 2k square plus k, which k is from 1 to n, right? So how do we write this? Summation of n cube plus 2 times summation of n square plus summation of n. That means this is n square into n plus 1 whole square upon 4 plus 2 times of n, n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 upon 6 plus n into n plus 1 upon 6. Okay. Sorry, 2, not 6. This will be 2, no? This is 2. Okay. Now what we can write this? We just take n into n plus 1 upon 2 common. What we will get? N into n plus 1 upon 2 plus 2 by 3. 2 by 3, okay. 2n plus 1 plus 1. Okay. So can we write n into n plus 1 upon 2? Solve this equation. So this, the LCM will be 6, right? LCM will be 6. And this term will be n square plus n. So what will be the numerator? N square plus n plus here 2, 4n plus 1 plus 2 plus 1. Okay. So this will become 3 times of n square plus 3 times of n plus 4n. What will this be? 8n, right? This will become 8n plus 2 to 4 plus 1, right? Plus, sorry, 4 plus 6. LCM, no? So we are taking, so this term will become n into n plus 1 upon 2. So this will be 3n square plus 11n plus 10 upon 6. Is that correct? What mistake you have done, Nidhi? I think your steps were correct. I don't know where you are taking common, so you are also getting the same thing. That right now that's what I'm writing, right? So just take 6 common outside. What we can write it here? Yeah, do it again. We cannot just leave it like this. So what we can write this 3 splittings. Can we write like this? Nidhi, is this correct? So n into n plus 1 upon 12. Okay, so 3n into n plus 2 plus 5 into n plus 2. Can we write like this? Yes. N into n plus 1 upon 12 into, so sorry, we can write this as n plus 2 and 3n plus 5. Understood how we got this numerator? How we got numerator? So, yeah. Yes, tell me. Yeah, Sunshine, tell me. You're saying something, right?
No, not me, sir.
What?
Not me, sir.
I'm not getting you. See, this is what we solved for numerator. What happened to this pen? See, this is the numerator that we solved. What we did, we took n into n plus 1 by 2 common, and we have written all the terms, right? Just check the steps, Nidhi. Is that okay? Did you get the same? Okay. Let's solve the denominator. Okay. You also try one more time. Denominator. What is there in the denominator? Just check. Summation of n k cube, right? K cube plus k square. K is from 1 to n. That's how we write it. This is what the denominator is, isn't it? So why you are writing? Are you writing n? Okay, summation of n. Okay, no issues. So again, you write it n into n plus 1 upon 2 whole square plus n into n plus 1 2n plus 1 upon 6. That's what we know. Now take n into n plus 1 by 2 common. what you will have n plus n into n plus 1 by 2 plus 2n plus 1 upon 6, sorry, 3, right? So n into n plus 1 by 2. Now here what you'll have, let's take 6 as LCM. What you'll get, write down. So n square plus 1, so 3n square plus 3n plus 4n plus 2. That's what we are getting, n into n plus 1 by 2, or let's directly be multiplied here, so it will be 12. Now 3n you take 3n, so n plus 1. Again here what you will get, and okay, so 2 you will take 2n plus 1 you are getting. Something is wrong here. What mistake is that? N square. What mistake I have made? Oh, okay, sorry. I got it. First, let me write like this. 3n. Write down, Nidhi. Got it? Can we write like this? So 3n, that means we'll get n plus 2 plus n plus 2. Right? So n into n plus 1 upon 12. It's just playing with the equation, nothing fancy. Just algebraic expressions. N plus 2. Okay, so this is your denominator. Right? Now you take the ratio of numerator 1 and the denominator 2. Divide 1 by 2. What you will get? Let's write it down. So 1 is your n into n plus 1 upon 12. N plus 2, 3n plus 5. N plus 2, 3n plus 5. And in the denominator, what you have? N into n plus 1 by 12. 3n plus 1 is n plus 2. Right? So this will cancel. This and this you can cancel. So finally you are left out with 3n plus 5 upon 3n. Got it? People, those who are online. I know it's a little lengthy one. 3n plus, but of course you'll get 5 or 6 marks for solving this. You know, just because it's lengthy, its formulation is very easy, right? Formulation is really easy, but the problem is lengthy. Okay, I understand that. See, this method also you can see, I showed you two methods. First one is this method, method 1, and this one is the second method that you are taking common. Okay, this is your second method. So these two methods, whichever you are comfortable with, you can choose it. So this is equal to your RHS. Okay, let's solve problem number 27. Question number 27. Solve Nidhi. See, question number 27. A farmer buys a used tractor for rupees 1200. Sorry, 12,000. So okay, so he bought it for 12,000. Okay, he pays 6,000 cash. Okay, so this is the cost price, and cash he paid is 6,000. That means 6,000 is the amount that is not paid, unpaid amount. Okay, and he agrees to pay the balance, that means this unpaid amount, with an annual installment of rupees 500 plus 12% interest on unpaid amount. That means he'll be paying this 6,000 rupees in installment of 500. Right? First month he'll pay 500. Second month again he'll pay 500. Third month again he'll pay 500. Okay, so this is your first month, second month, third month. Okay, and the balance, see, so amount was originally how much? 6,000. He paid 500 rupees. So how much it is? 5,500. Okay. Now 5,500. He paid again 500. So how much it is? See, every month. So again, this will be 5,000, right? So like that, he'll be paying the money. So again, 5,000 minus 500. How much you'll be paying? 4,500. You see the series here? Yeah, it is AP, right? It's AP with a common difference of how much? You can say either then first term will be, your first term will become 6,000, but he is actually starting to pay from 500 rupees, right? No, yeah, see, first month he'll pay 500. Again, next, yeah, interest will count on interest. I'm just trying to explain the problem. What's the problem? 12% interest on unpaid amount. So this 6,000 rupees is unpaid. Now in first month, 6,000 was unpaid, then this was unpaid, then this was unpaid. These are all unpaid amount every month. Unpaid amount every month. Okay, and we are writing the months here, right? And after payment, this is the amount he still need to pay. Got it? Still he need to pay this much amount of money. Why 6,000 you will not include? See, the total amount that was remaining was how much? 6,000. 12,000 he bought the tractor for. Okay, this amount he bought the tractor. He paid 6,000. So 6,000 was remaining. Now 6,000, first month he will pay 500 rupees. Okay, with a 12% of interest. So 6,000, 12% interest. Now he paid 500 rupees. So how much is the principal amount of 5,500? So on that he'll pay again 12% of interest. You're getting the point? So write down. So every time he'll pay 12% of interest. 12% of interest. First month he'll pay 6,000 on 6,000. Second month he'll pay 12% on 5,500. Third month he'll pay 12% on 5,000, right? And what will be the last term he'll pay? Last term he'll pay will be 500 rupees, because on the installment of 500 he is paying, right? So this is 12% of 500. That's how he's going to. Now sum it up. Sum up this series. Twelve percent of is written 12% of 6,000, 12% of 5,500. Yeah, 12 by 100 into 6,000. That's it. So in short, you can write 12% of, in bracket, 6,000 plus 5,500 plus 5,000 plus, if you take 12, because every month you'll be paying interest, no? So this series is in AP. Find AP. So 12% of this AP, find out. What's the value of N here? Nidhi, how do you find N? How much is that? Total amount, you know, it will be 6,000, right? Total amount, you know, is 6,000. N by 2. He starts from how much? 2A, right? 2A is how much? 2A plus N minus 1. Difference is how much? Difference is 500, no? See, he starts from, no. His A is 500. That means 500 is the amount is, yeah. So in that manner, I'm saying. So you just need to find the value of it. If you are taking difference as minus 500, that means here you will take 0. The solution, it will come to 0. So do that. How much will get the value of N? because he start paying rupees 500. No? He's paying 5,000. See, it's like me and you. You lent me money. Okay. So I owe you 6,000 rupees, but I am paying you 500. Next month, again, 500 plus the 12% interest on that 6,000 amount. Again, next month, I'll pay you 500 in principal amount. So principal amount is getting deducted. Okay, but we need to calculate the interest. So 12% of all this AP. N is equal to how much, Nitin? So 12,000. So this can't calculate N. 1,000 plus N minus 1,000 minus 500 is 500 plus N. How much, Nidhi? Not able to calculate this, man. How much we are getting? This is your N plus 500, right? This is what you will be getting. No? So N square plus 500 N minus 12,000 is equal to 0. Find N from here. P square is how much? Right? 4 AC. Is this correct or not? Okay, so 25. Okay, 1 less 0. Sorry. Right? Upon 2. How much you are getting here? 1 0 0 0 0 upon 2 minus 500 plus or minus square root of is how much? 100? Huh? Upon 2. What is this? Is this correct? Something is wrong. No?
Sir, 1,000 minus 500.
1,000 minus 500?
Sir, 5n plus 500. Sir.
$500 minus 500 means 1,000 plus n.
Sir, second
sorry. Got it. How much we are getting the value? Okay, this equation is wrong. Sorry. Thank you. So this will be again. This is wrong, right? So this is how much? 1,000 minus 500. So 500 n plus 500, right? This is what we should get, right? Yeah, 500 you take common, so you'll cancel out these, this, and this. Right? 5 again you can cancel out. How much you get? 5 if you'll cancel out, how much you get? 24. Yes. So n square plus n minus 24 is equal to 0. How much are you getting? N minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4 is. How come it is minus, sir? Is it minus? It will be plus, no? It is plus, right? Yeah, it is plus. 96, right? Upon 2. Isn't it? Is it correct? 97, how you get 97? Is the equation correct? Anyone?
Sir, b square minus 4 is.
B square, yeah, b square minus 4 times a into c. A is 1, C is minus 24 plus 96. So minus 1 plus or minus square root of 97 upon 2. See, it should come 100, right? Something is mistaken. Just check it one more time. This cannot be true. Yeah, why we are getting stuck in every problem today? Well, the question is, sorry. Oh, sorry. AN is 6,000. Oh my God. I'm as stupid as I sound. See, this is AN is equal to 6,000. Not, I took SN is equal to 6,000, which is incorrect. I'm sorry. This is my mistake again. So AN is how do we write AN? AN is A plus N minus 1 into D is equal to 6,000. A is 500 plus N minus 1, D is 500 is equal to 6,000. So N is equal to 12. Okay, got it. So N is equal to, now Sn you can apply, right? Yeah, Sn, apply Sn. First find Sn of this series. Sn of this much. Okay, we are just doing calculation mistakes today, okay? And that is not right. So Sn, find out Sn. Sn is N by 2 into 2A plus N minus 1 into D. N is 12 by 2 into 2 times of 500 plus 11 into 500. How much will be next? 6 times of 1000 plus 55, right? 6 times of 6500. How much will be this? Yeah. Right? 39,000. So some Sn of the series is how much? 39. So 12%. Now find out 12% of 39,000, 39,000. That will be 12 by 100 into 39,000. How much is that? 39 into, do this. How much is that? This is the interest. Okay. This is the interest. This is the interest that he is paying, right? This one. Okay. So how much interest rate is paying? 4,6? Huh? 80. So this is the amount of interest he is paying, rupees this much. So total, how much it will pay? He will pay. Total cost. Total cost will be how much? Anything? See, no, it is 12, 6,000 he already paid. Remember, total cost of tractor will be equal to 12,000 plus 4,680. 4,680 is just the interest. How much will be this? 16,680. So that will be the amount paid by the farmer. So he is paying in how many months? 12. That means 1 year. He is taking 1 year to pay the amount. So he is paying 16,680 rupees. See, that's why you should not buy things on EMI, right? See, if you take percentage, why it's very high, right? 12% interest you are paying, and that amount. Okay. Now, see, this is the application of your AP. Okay, this problem. Let's do another problem. This one. Thank you. Solve question number 29. So the first problem took a lot of time. What? Yeah, okay. A person writes a letter to 4 of his friends. Okay, that means there is one person, Nidhi. Okay, Nidhi is there. Nidhi is writing letter to Shrikruti. Okay, Divya, Shreya, and who else is there? Who else is your friend? Keep talking. Huh? Murli. Where is Murli? Murli is not coming to class yet. I'm upset. Okay, Murli. So these 4 people, Nidhi is writing letter to, and she asked each of them to copy the letter and mail it to 4 different persons. Okay. So that this is chain reaction, right? You studied this in nuclear physics or nuclear reactions, atomic bomb. Have you heard that? So that's what is happening here also. 4 people. She will write to 4. She will write to 4, 4, and 4. Right? Everyone is writing to 4. 4 people. Right? And okay, assuming that the chain is not broken and that it costs 50 paisa to mail 1 letter. So 1 letter, that means this is 1 letter, okay? 1 letter. 1 letter. Okay, 1 letter. So this 1 letter is cost rupees 50. Oh, sorry, 0.5. Right? Rupees 0.5 to mail a letter. Find the amount spent on the postage when 8th set of letter is mailed. That means the value of n is given. 8 times the process is repeated. That is 8. Now find it. Now first tell me what kind of series is this. See, first, how many people you are mailing? 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. First term is 4. Everyone keeps on mailing 4. So second one will be how much? 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4, 16. Again, how much it will mail? 16. 16 into 4. How much is that? 68, 64, 64. Plus up to how much? Means up to 8th term. 8th term, right? That means this is 4 to the power 1, 4 square, 4 cube, plus up to 4 to the power 8. This is a GP, right? This is GP. GP was common. First term is what? First term is 4. Common ratio is what? 4. Now solve it. Find the sum of GP. Sn is how much? Sn is A r to the power m minus 1 upon r minus 1. Find out. N is already given. N is 8. 4 into r is 4 to the power 8 minus 1 upon 4 minus, again it started, 4 minus 1. How much you are getting? Anyone tell me the answer? 4 by 3 into 4 to the power of 8. Use your calculator. Use that. You can use it, leave it, but the thing is you have to do the multiplication, right? That means you are finding S8. S8 value is how much? Tell me, somebody tell me. 4 by 3. 4 to the power of 8. I don't know how much it is. Minus 1. See, you can leave 6. 3, 6. Minus 1 into 4 by 3. Okay. So who will tell that? How much is that? See, I am also not doing this. Nidhi is telling using calculator. So if you guys want, you can also use calculator. How much is that, Nidhi? 8738 0. Okay, I hope that this is correct. Now the so how much money will be required? See, these many mails are sent just by completing 8 chains. Can you understand? See, when there is a nuclear reaction, there is 3 electron volt of energy is liberated in all reaction. And how much will that be total? So that's what same thing happens in nuclear fusion. 2 types of nuclear reactions are there, right? Nuclear fusion and nuclear fission. So this is your fission reaction. So total cost will be how much? So this value, this value by 2, how much is the answer? Okay, so for 1, say total cost will be what? For 1, it takes 0.5 paisa. Sorry, 0.5 rupees, right? Into 0.5. So these many rupees. How much will be that? Rupees this much, sorry. 43690. That will be your answer. So this much money will be required for, will be spent on the question. Do one more last problem. Solve question number 31. And solve it. Take out the note. Okay. A manufacturer reckons. Okay, a manufacturer reckons that the value of a machine which cost in rupees. See, the cost of machine was 15625. Will depreciate each year by 20%. So each year, every year, its value will get decreased by 20%. Okay, 20% the value is decreased. Find the estimated value at the end of 5 years. After 5 years, what will be its cost? Do it and tell me. Do it and tell me. So after 5 years, what will be the price? See, every year it is getting see, so first year, what will happen? The price will get decreased. So 15625 minus 20% of, yeah, no, into 80 by 100, no? See, 20% it is getting decreased. So minus 20 into 15625 upon 100. Okay, that means you can also write this as 0.8 times of 0.8 times of 15625. That means 80% of cost price. Because 20% is getting reduced. So the price will be 80% of what he has purchased. So this will continue for 5 years. Okay. Now next year, what will be the price? 0.8 times this 0.8 into this is second year 1562. Same thing. So I'm just writing how it will be. See, this is the price at the end of second year. Third year, what it will be? 0.8 times of this amount. 0.8 into 0.8 into 15625. I'm trying to make a series here. So this is third year. Fourth year, what will be? 0.8 times of this amount. So 0.8 into 0.8 into 0.8 into 15625. Fifth year, 0.8 into 0.8 into 0.8 into 0.8 into 0.8 into 15625. Now you see this is a GP, right? Isn't it? It's a GP. It's a GP. 0.8, that means 4 by 5 is your common ratio. Find out. So that means at the end of 5 years, at the end of 5 years, the value will be 4 by 5 to the power of what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 into 1, 5, 6 to 5. It's wrong. Wait. Yeah, wait. Just wait. Now, what you're saying? Why it will be? See, first year, how much is the price? Wait. No, you don't have, see, you just need to find the price after the end of 5 years. That means the price is, see, this is the price after second year. This is the price after third year. This is the price after fourth year, and this is the price after fifth year. So you need to find this value. This value only you need to find out. That's it. So that means 0.8 to the power of how much? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 into 15625. That's it. That's what you need to find out. Nothing else. So this is your 4 by 5 to the power of 5 into 15625. How much is that? Find out. Okay, so this will be 5120. See how you should do these type of, see at the end it is 5. So what you can do is 4 to the power of 5 into 25 into 25 into 5. That's how you can write 15625, and you can do calculations like that. Okay, separately you need to calculate this. There is no other way. You just need to learn how to multiply. That's it. My time is over. I don't have to do that. I can just simply use calculator. But you'll have to. Honestly, I also don't know how to do it. You know, like I don't remember all the answers. So this is how you should do it. First, read the questions properly. Everything is there in the question itself. See, right now you don't have to find the sum of in every year. You don't have to sum it up. It's just asking at the end of 5th year what will be the price. Okay. So next chapter that we are going to see from tomorrow is your statement. Linear inequalities. So do we have that in syllabus? So we'll start linear inequalities today, or straight line. What do you want? See, I'll give you options. Or straight line. You have straight line doubts in straight line. So we'll start straight line now. We'll start straight line from tomorrow. See, till now, whatever we have studied, is it clear to you? Or see, I know I was stuck in some of the problems. I accepted. The thing is, no, I'm not trying to give you any excuse, but these problems are little lengthy. You have to understand it. And yeah, this is just lengthy problem. This is not a very tough problem. Okay, this is just the solution will go a little, little too far, but the basic concept will remain same. If you know these parts, you will be able to solve it. Okay, and in AP, GP, you just have formulas. Okay, that's it. Nothing other than that. So from tomorrow we'll start straight lines. Okay, thank you so much. Straight lines, what doubts you have?
Thank you, sir.
See, straight lines, it's again, you just need to understand this. You have been studying the straight line all the time, like in physics, right? S is equal to ut plus half at square. So is this straight line? Is this a straight line? It's a quadratic equation. Yeah, so V is equal to U plus 8. Is this a straight line? Why? Between whom? If I say, if you plot between S and A, it is a straight line. See, S and A is straight line. Because the quadratic is T, not, you have to understand that part. Okay, straight line equation is always y is equal to mx plus, that's it. Sometimes you'll find m is equal to y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1, or this is also equal to your tan of theta. Okay, this, and this is your intercept c from here to here, right? So straight line is again easy chapter. A straight line and conic section after that. Inequalities, if you want, let me know, because inequality I feel like it's a very easy chapter. You guys can solve. Okay, that will be all. Thank you. We'll start straight line.
Thank you, sir.
Come to class. Don't start in morning. Any other doubt? You're studying only for previous year. Small selection. Just don't get stuck with this.